Oh, this one's not too bad. Like, as far as... I'm probably still gonna have difficulty time beating it, but I don't think I'll get mad at it. I hope that is not the case today. I have been molding so much. Like, the anger in my heart has finally dissipated. I no longer feel angry there. Which is the worst. I hate when the rage actually goes into my, like, chest. Alright. I was not expecting this, though. It should be okay. Okay, we're good, we're good. Inverted controls? I got this. It was a level in the hotel. It might be this. We'll be fine, we'll be fine. No problem, hold on night. What? Wait, don't get me super jump! Holy shit! You did nearly get me. I didn't know that was a freaking option. Oh, sweaty palms are coming. Yeah! Okay, calm down, Snacks. You are a goat. You are a gaming goat god. You are a goat god. You got this. This is a kid's game. Remember that? Remember that kids were expected to be able to platform like this? Double gravity. Okay, it's fine. I don't need to jump. We're good. Actually, that might help me here. Thank you. Thank you. How much of it did you watch? At least 10 episodes. So I got pretty far in it, I think. As far as trying to Okay, okay, okay. I hate these things! I'm starting to feel the rage in there again. I don't want it to be there, guys. I want to be a happy goat. Swap buttons? Okay. We're good. We're good. We're good. We got past it. How does this happen every time? You guys don't kill me when you mess with me. It is myself. It is myself failing and falling. That was the very first jump in the stage. Are you winning? I am not Caliber. This game is destroying me and my sanity. But I'm trying. I'm trying my best. It's these little cogs that always get me. At least it ain't Clamp Jojo. That would look so weird. But Jojo would have... Oh, I'm gonna throw something! Isn't Clamp the group that is entirely women? I do believe they were entirely women. I am about to explode. I knew this one wasn't hard. It's just the freaking cog. Okay, I didn't think like the cog. I didn't activate my cog instinct. But I will this time, and it's gonna work. It's gonna work. Why did you leave the egg? What is the context for that? I know you guys aren't. You aren't even doing anything negative. It's 100% me. And I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm gonna try changing the camera angle. Alright. Do I need some tranks? I think I do need some tranks. What is this? Clamp Jojo predates fanfics? Wait, what? Kakyoins? I don't know. I haven't seen JoJo. I mean, I've seen like 1 or maybe 2 seasons. But I don't remember anyone's name. I remember Dio and JoJo's name and that's it. I am the cog. Think like a cog. I am a KG. Wait, no. I'm a Weiji stuck in my KG. That's it. Okay! Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I am gonna need a cat video after this. Like, if I fail this run, I need a cat video. You'll find one? Okay, anyone but Bull can find me a video! Okay, you gotta take your time to beat it. I can't take my time. The sand goes away. Like, when the sand starts falling, it's panic mode. Okay, be calm, Koto. Okay, don't overcorrect. Be good. Be still. Ah! Yes! 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 Oh my god! Thank you guys for believing in me. Thank you for all the punchings. I even said this secret wasn't gonna be bad. It looks so easy. It is so easy.